Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Info Booth 19. Today we are going to see one healthy snack recipe which is Amaranthus Vada. So this Amaranthus is a group of spinach variety. So it has more variants in that. Red Amaranthus, green Amaranthus, so many varieties are there. So today we are going to do with a green Amaranthus which is nothing but Dupia's Vada. So it is very simple to make and it is very healthy and it's a good tea time snack. Since we are adding spinach and all, it has a high iron content and calcium, minerals. They are very rich in very healthy contents in it. So it is very easy to prepare and everybody will surely love it. Even people who don't eat spinach also will prefer eating this kind of snack. So we can add some way or the other the healthy food items in our regular thing we will love to eat. So for that I have taken half a cup of chana dal which is washed thoroughly and soaked it for 1.5 to 2 hours. So minimum 1 hour soaking is required, then only the vada will be good. So for half a cup of chana dal I have taken half a cup of amaranthus leaves. So wash the amaranthus leaves thoroughly and then you can keep it aside. So to make this, what we are going to do is you need to drain all the water completely and add the chana dal in the mixture jar. In case if water content is there, when you are making it as a shape, it will not hold properly. So ensure that you drain all the water completely. One small tip, whenever you are washing this dal and all those things, use the water for plants. It will be very healthy. Now I have added half a tablespoon of hing. Whenever you are using any dal or dal related dishes, always use hing. It will avoid gastric problem and all those things. So after that, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and then 3 to 4 dry red chili. So this chili is as per taste, so you can increase or decrease. Then half a tablespoon of jeera I have added. So once you have added everything, we are going to grind and bring it. So when you're grinding, ensure that the mixture is coarsely grinded, not complete paste. Only if it is coarsely grinded, the vada will be more crispy and it will be very tasty to eat. So here and there the dal pieces should be visible, then only it will be tasting very good. Then I have taken one small size onion chopped into fine pieces and then followed by some half an inch ginger. You can crush it well using mortar and pestle, and then chopped curry leaves, and then the amaranthus leaves whatever we have taken you need to chop into small pieces and then you can add it. After adding everything, then finally you can add salt as per taste. Don't think that the spinach is more, so I will add more salt. Be careful when you are adding salt because the spinach will the volume will shrink when you mix with dal and also when you cook it. So you can add salt carefully. So after adding everything, just give it a mix. One thing is, like, if you don't want to fry the vada immediately, if you want to store it in fridge for some more time, and then if you want to do it later, add onion just before frying, because the onion leaves water that will make the batter watery, and because of that the vada, it will not hold its shape. So you can add onion just before frying. So we have kept oil in pan. Once the oil is heated, just make it as a round shape, flatten a little bit, and then you can drop it in the oil from sides. Be careful, oil will be hot, so when you are dropping this vada, ensure that you are putting it into low to medium flame. It will not take much time to cook. It will hardly take less than 5 minutes. Each side it will take 1.5 to 2 minutes to cook. That's all. You can prepare this very quickly. As soon as you drop the vada, you will see lot of bubbles. But as the vada gets cooked, all the bubbles will get reduced. So that's when you know it is cooked on one side. You can slowly flip it on the other side and cook the other side as well. It will be very interesting recipe and it is very healthy also. See, though it is oil deep fried, it doesn't absorb much oil, and also we have used this spinach and dal. Dal is full of protein and spinach is full of vitamins, minerals and calcium content. Iron content is there, and it is a very good snack. You can have it. Once it becomes golden color, so you can just remove it from the oil. You can place it in tissue or towel, or you can put it in strainer. Remove all the oil and directly you can serve it. You don't need chutney or any side dish. Since it is very crispy and hot, you can directly have it with tea. It is a very good snack. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. In case if you try this recipe, share the dish photo to the email ID given below. Always be happy, be positive, and spread the positivity to everybody around you. Thanks for watching.